I was shooting too straight. Remember banned for literally no reason?
There's nothing wrong with me cheating. What is wrong with me cheating?
Alright, CALLOFDUTY is a scumbag. Like, there's no two ways about it. Like, the man is a scumbag.
Amen, Call James. Amen.
So tired of these 30 IQ brain dead idiots who listen to people like Hall of Fame.
The low IQ streamers have all been invited to play Warzone 3 early for the second time. They have all been flown out in an all-expenses-paid trip to influence your decision to play the game. It's things like this that really frustrates the community. The low IQ streamers even lied to their own simps. The streamers have not even mentioned this, but I can always find a weak link. They all have cute little hard drives, packed with content, to farm those creepy simps, but they love to hype them up.
You want to see it? It's right here.
I need this. Please.
You want to see it? You want to see it? It's right here. All I gotta do is plug this in, and you can see it. Yeah, I kind of lied. Actually, well, I didn't really lie to you guys. I just didn't tell you guys. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? You see what I mean? You know what I mean? Like, I didn't lie to y'all. I just didn't tell you. And that's fine, you know? Like, that's fine. You guys forgive me, right?
Of course they will. They are simps, it's what they do.
We forgive you.
They have nothing going on in their lives. It's either this or daytime television. While the rest of the world is at work or school, simps watch streamers.
Because it is so damn fun flying out and playing new Call of Duty, playing a new Call of Duty, playing new Call of Duty content with a bunch of my creator friends.
I want you to look at this streamer. This disgusting person took things to a whole new level in his recent streams, and I really do hope Activision were watching. This is why parents should never allow children to watch streamers. I will not speak about what he did, but he will never feature on this channel again, even if he is live banned. Before the release of Modern Warfare 3, the streamers were super excited that movement was back in Call of Duty. Remember when they said this? Well, they have been torn apart in multiplayer despite movement.
Nate, I'm horrible, bro. Nate, this is the worst I've ever felt.
Nadia, still shooting her own teammates. These streamers are absolutely horrible at Modern Warfare 3. They have firmly been put back in their place. Well, since Call of Duty are now adding a bunch of features to Warzone, they are, quote-unquote, back again. Back from what exactly? Getting ripped apart by casual players in multiplayer? The arrogance of these Warzone streamers amazes me.
This is already crazy enough. By default, we're getting all this stuff. That's crazy. Second of all, the new perks. When taking damage from gunfire, this grants a short bonus to movement speed. Like, bro, that is insane. Stalker, increased strafe and ADS. Strafe speed on SMGs is going to be crazy. Tempered's back. I can't wait, man. I cannot wait for December 6th. Like, I am fiending for it.
The amount of perks they need to be able to compete in this game is hilarious.
Infinity Ward wanted you doing this for the whole game.
It's funny how you mock Infinity Ward for making a game that allows you to lie down and hide, but isn't that exactly what you did at London? You hid inside the back of a chicken truck for 11 minutes. I just don't understand how you can trash game developers when you were doing exactly the same thing you were complaining about. I really do hope Infinity Ward see this. I know they watch my videos. Please remember Jowo when your turn comes around again. Call of Duty Ghosts 2 is not that far away.
I hope they never make another Call of Duty ever again. You suck. I hope all of the devs at Infinity Ward have a great time playing Battlefield or Minecraft, Roblox. They're getting slammed now. They're getting slammed.
Symphony is complaining yet again about players using a controller. If he has such a problem with mouse and key, then I would definitely suggest a controller. He recently used one and said it's too easy, so why is he complaining?
You're literally missing your shots. Yeah, you don't understand, buddy. You can't out-aim like 0 MS reaction time. It's humans have an average of somewhere in the hundreds reaction time. Like mine's like 150, okay? You can't be literal 0. You cannot. It is quite literally humanly impossible. Chat doesn't understand that tracking a mouse and keyboard on Call of Duty is like quite literally impossible, but that's alright. We'll just let him keep talking. No shit, my aim's left and right and shaky. Impossible playing it on this Call of Duty game. Shut up.
Predator missile.
Let's not forget when Symphony and Nadia were completely humiliated at a LAN event, both playing on a controller with no cheats installed. They were both given level 3 accounts to use, and skill-based matchmaking was completely protecting them. This was a bot lobby, and don't you forget that.
Okay, well, it's, oh. So, oh, alright. Chat, 0-2? No need to keep track, it's fine. Don't worry, I'm just gonna walk around pretty yes at this point, because...
It's okay, I just got smacked in the neck.
Okay, hey, boys. Chat, I'm not kidding. It's about a lot of input delay, dude. Okay?
Dude, I'm about to just sit in a corner.
Man, they're all roasting me, dude. Chat, listen, okay. You know what's way better than this input delay, chat? The lovely show called The
Bro.
How many kills do you have? I have 0.
I got an assist, though. I got an assist. Can we get some W's in the chat? I just got an assist. Did you get an assist yet? I don't think so.
Shit, hey. All right. Okay.
Oh, this is
Chat, this is...
Sledgehammer have recently spoke out about skill-based matchmaking. Here is what they have officially said.
We know there's a lot of interest in the matchmaking experience, especially around how skill contributes to how lobbies and matches are put together. Nothing is more important to us than the experience players have with the game, and matchmaking is a big part of that. We've been working on our matchmaking system for well over 10 years, and we continue to spend a ton of time and energy on improving the matchmaking process. This involves people working in our Call of Duty studios, our backend services teams of Demonware, and other groups like our Player Insights team. It's a large effort that we've worked on for many years, and our approach combines latency, search time, and skill, along with many other factors, to try to find the best match experience for you. Talking about this topic in detail can be hard, and we haven't spent the time to pull together all of our work to share with you our insights and improvements over the many years. We're looking forward to doing that in the coming weeks after Season 1 launches, and we'll also make it a part of our ongoing discussions with the community.
Other game studios also have skill-based matchmaking and have spent decades perfecting it. SBMM in Destiny 2 feels great. I am able to play multiplayer based on connection or skill-based matchmaking. Even if I select games based around similar skill, it's not a problem. Even for my 5.36 KD, I'm still unstoppable.
Guardian to the right of you. Guardian to the left of you. Guardian in front of you.
At one stage, they even ran out of medals. I excel in all my games. But with random noobs on my team, I can't win them all.
Zone A lost. They have advantage. Double down. Triple down. Fantastic work.
Bungie have had decades of experience with multiplayer lobbies. Sledgehammer, please take this on board. Destiny 2 is fun, chaotic and sometimes very sweaty depending on what I want to play. I am a killing machine, and it feels absolutely fantastic. But I do believe Call of Duty can be equally as good, providing the matchmaking is addressed. However, the streamers will always find something to complain about. It's what they do best. They are cheating streamers, we all know this. The community knows now, they are terrible at this game, but as soon as the new Warzone map drops, they will turn their cheats on. But make no mistake, I will be waiting for them. That was the exact reason why I created this channel. It is not to frame streamers or manipulate evidence. It's to present circumstantial evidence and raise the best argument I can. The community expect me to be ready and continue to analyze these games for cheating and corruption and report back to them of my findings.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
UAV online. Tactical nuke ready for launch. Tactical nuke incoming!
Well done. Call of Shame wins. Flawless victory.